In this quick video, I want to show you how to set the timer on any Whirlpool oven. This particular one is a Gold Series, but they're pretty much the self-explanatory. So you want to locate the timer button on your Whirlpool, and one's right here. And the only thing I want to do is hit timer and then put my time. Now you don't go in increments of hours ever. You only go in increments of minutes. So for example, if I wanted to do 45 minutes, I just go timer 45 and then hit timer again. And if I want to turn the timer off, if I'm done, I just hold down the timer again. It'll turn it off. But let's say it's an hour and 30 minutes. I don't put an hour 30. I put 90 for 90 minutes because that's an hour and a half. So, for example, if I'm doing an hour and a half, the only thing I want to do is go timer, and then I'll go 90 for an hour and a half, and then hit timer again. So there you go. And as you can see there, it switched an hour and a half for me. And of course that will time down. For whatever reason, if you need to turn the timer off beforehand, the only thing you have to do is just hold down the timer again and let go. And as you can see there, it says timer set off. All right, that's it. That's how you set the timer on any Whirlpool oven.